The SC is raising a very important point and is leaving it, where the minister says, I never solicited an affidavit from Matlala. My lawyers are the ones, after listening to me so many times, they went to solicit the affidavit from Matlala. And I wanted the SC to ask as to, are you saying your lawyers acted without an instruction? Because lawyers act on instructions of their clients. And minister should understand the implications of what he is saying about his lawyers, because they can be reported to LPC, that on their own volition, go to a maximum prison, obtain an affidavit. Is that without his instructions and they're his lawyers? Is that the understanding that the minister wants to share with us?
So that is Julius Malema there questioning Senzo Mchunu. So Senzo Mchunu made it very, very clear, that he did not request for an affidavit from Vusimuzi Matlala, but his lawyers went and took that affidavit from Vusimuzi Matlala. So unfortunately for Senzo Mchunu, both versions are out there, because this on its own, it raises serious questions about the credibility, and reliability of the affidavit before the court, because this is like Senzo Mchunu disowning this affidavit to say it was not taken, with my permission. These people simply went and took that affidavit without my permission. So why should that affidavit be used? Because Senzo made it very, very clear, that he does not know Vusimuzi Matlala. He has never been with him. So since he doesn't know this guy, why go all the way to obtain this affidavit from someone that you do not know of? So this question by Julius Malema, it even exposes, Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, who was quick to criticize Julius Malema and all those who were in parliament to say they are gossip mongers. They simply accepted this evidence without questioning it. So Mbuyiseni Ndlozi spoke too quickly, and now this evidence is now finally being questioned. So Julius Malema is obviously 10 steps ahead of the likes of Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. So this entire situation has left Senzo Mchunu to just contradict himself. I'll catch you guys on the next one.